making keto gummies, but it is a special because we have a little guest helping us making those gummies today. She's a little bit shy, but she will be helping us make the gummies. Right, Edo? Yeah, you will. We're gonna be making 3 different types of gummies. The first one will be just regular strawberry. The second one will be raspberry sour with a little bit of spice. I am from Mexico and we always have a spicy candy, so I'm gonna try to make a spicy gummies. And the third one is gonna be a green tea mango gummy. So let's jump into the ingredients. So first we're gonna be making the plain strawberry gummies. The first ingredient will be a package of strawberry jello, 4 packages of unflavored gelatin, and 3/4 cups of boiling water. This is super easy, guys. For the plain gummies, we're gonna put the boiling water into a bowl. Careful because it's really hot water. And then we're gonna dump our gelatin into the bowl with water. 1 package, 2 packages, 3, and the last one. Now we're gonna mix the gelatin with the water really carefully. The gelatin gets really sticky, so just keep mixing until it's all combined. Once it's all combined, we're gonna dump our package of jello.
Ooh, see some pep.
Yeah, and we're gonna mix it all together again. So now that our jello is all mixed together, this is completely optional, but Eddie and I decided we wanted to make some purple gummies, so we're gonna add some blue food coloring into our mix. And now we mix again. So now that our mix is ready, we're gonna put it into our gummy molds. We're using hearts today. Eddie picked the hearts for this flavor, and these are just silicone molds. You specifically don't have silicone molds for gummies. You can use like an ice cube tray or make it in a big baking pan, and then once it's ready, cut it into little cubes. With our droppers, again, if you don't have the droppers, you can use a regular spoon, put it into the mold. So we're gonna grab our droppers and grab some of our mix. And now into the molds. Is it good? Since we have some extra mix, we're gonna use another mold to make more gummies. This one is seashells. Yeah. So we put all our mix into our molds and we're gonna set it aside for 20 to 30 minutes or until you see that the mix reaches the gummy consistency that we need. So we're gonna wait 20 to 30 minutes, okay, Edo?
Okay.
And in the meantime, we're gonna make the other 2 gummy flavors. So for the raspberry sour and spicy gummies, we're gonna need 1 package of raspberry jello, 4 packages of unflavored gelatin, 3/4 cups of boiling water, 1 tablespoon of Tajín or any other chili powder that you have, and 1 tablespoon of erythritol. So we're gonna start again by pouring our water into the bowl, and we're gonna squish 1/4 of our lime into the water. And now we mix. Once your water and your lime are all mixed together, we're gonna put our gelatin. And now we're gonna mix our gelatin with our water. Once the gelatin is all mixed together, Eddie is gonna add the package of jello. And we mix again. Now that it's all mixed together, Eddie is gonna pour some Tajín into the mix. So we're gonna use 1/2 tablespoon right now into the mix and 1/2 tablespoon later on. Okay, and now we're gonna mix again. So once our mix is all ready, we're gonna put it into our molds. So once we put our mix into our molds, we're gonna let them sit again for 20 to 30 minutes, and after they're done, we're gonna put the rest of our ingredients. In the meantime, we're gonna make the next flavor, which is green tea mango gummies. For the green tea mango gummies, we're gonna need 3 bags of tea of your preference, 4 packages of unflavored gelatin, 1 cup of water, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of erythritol, depending on how sweet you want them. First thing we're gonna do is to infuse our tea. So we're gonna open our tea bags and put them in the water. So the trick here is to let your tea infuse so we have a lot of flavor from the tea bags. We're gonna let them soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once we infuse our tea, we're gonna remove the tea bags and just really careful with my hand. I'm gonna squish the bags to get all the flavor from the tea bags. And now we're gonna add the erythritol into our tea. We're gonna start with 2 tablespoons, try it out, and we'll go from there. And we're gonna mix it and try it out and see if it needs more erythritol. So we're gonna put 1 more. And we're gonna mix it again. Since we're making gummy bears, we have another guest helping us make the last flavor. It's Mr. Panda. Cute. Once our tea is infused and sweetened, we're gonna pour it into the bowl. And we're gonna add the 4 packages of gelatin. Now, again, we know what to do. We're gonna mix it until it's all dissolved. The mix is ready, and now we know what to do. We're gonna pour it into our panda molds. We still have some mix left and we don't have any other molds. We're gonna pour the rest into a square container and we'll cut it after. We're gonna put this away for another 20 to 30 minutes and we'll try them all later on. So the 20 to 30 minutes have passed and our gummies are ready. They're ready, right, Edo?
Yeah.
We're gonna put them out of the molds and try them out for you guys. We'll show you. At this point, our gummies are out of the molds, and the last step for the sour and chili ones, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. So we're gonna put our gummies in a bowl, and we're gonna squish half a lime. Squish the lime so the erythritol and the chili sticks on the gummies. Half tablespoon of erythritol and half tablespoon of Tajín. And now we just mix them all together so they all have Tajín. Now it's time to try them all. The strawberry. Is it good? They're super yummy. High five, we did a good job. The next one? This one, you want a panda or a square?
Square.
Okay, we'll try both a square.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers! They're really good. You can totally taste the green tea in it. It's so good. And I'm gonna try one of the chili and sour. Those are my favorite. They're so good. Are they good? Do we like them all? They're really, really good, guys. I'm so happy about it. So there you have it, guys. Keto gummy bears. They were super easy to make and it's really fun activity to make with the kids. I hope you guys liked the recipe and the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, turn on the bell notification button, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! See you guys on the next video.